Hello students, so I hope you all are well and fine, and till now student you have studied a lot of about that of the natural phenomenon which included the volcanic eruption also, lightning. Okay, so till now you have studied, and today we will start with a new topic. We will continue with the same chapter and we will start with a new topic, and that is earthquake. When we talk about the earthquake, the first thing that it comes in your mind that the earth is shaking, earth is moving. Okay, so we can say on that basis we can define the earthquake. That is, earthquake is what? It is a rapid, it is a sudden shaking or rolling of the earth. That is an earthquake. Okay, so we can say that the earthquake is the sudden or rapid shaking of the earth. Shaking of the earth or rolling of the earth, that is the earthquake. Okay, so earthquake is one, student, when the earth used to move, it used to shake, it used to roll, that we call as an earthquake. Now the question arises that why the earth used to show this sudden or the rapid shaking or rolling of the earth, students. So it is because of the vibrations. Okay, so you should know that vibrations are produced inside to that of the earth. Okay, so these vibration, it causes the earth to shake. So basically we can say that vibrations is produced inside to that of the earth. Okay, so inside the earth there is a production of the vibration. Vibration is produced, and this vibration it is the cause of that of the earthquake. How, student? How can you say the vibration causes that of the earthquake? So basically what happened, the earth, when the earthquake occurs, when there is a production of a vibration inside that of the earth occur, these vibrations used to move from one place to the other place. So we can say that these vibrations which is produced inside to that of the earth, they used to move along the earth's surface. Okay, and as these vibration moves along the earth's surface, it causes the earth to shake. Okay, so we can write it that these vibrations produced moves along the earth surface, and hence it causes the earth to shake. Okay, so it is because of that of the vibration, student, which is produced inside to that of the earth, it causes the earth to shake. Since the vibration, it moves along that of the earth's surface, it makes the earth to shake or to roll. Now when we talk about the earthquake, student, if you see here, if a strong earthquake occurs, so what will happen? The strong earthquake is very destructive. Okay, and this strong earthquake, it can cause a lot of problems, including the destruction of the life and that of the property. Okay, so we can write it, the earthquake, a strong earthquake a strong earthquake is there, cause is very destructive, student. Very destructive. How it is very destructive? As it destroys property and life. Okay, so strong earthquake is very destructive as it destroys the property and the life students. Okay, so this is about that of the earthquake. Now you see here students, when we talk about the earthquake, we said that earthquake occurred due to the vibration which occur inside to that of the earth. And these vibration it used to move along that of the earth surface, and finally what will happen? It causes the earth to shake. Now, when we talk about these vibrations student which is moving along that of the earth surface, they used to move along the earth surface in the form of a wave. Okay, so we can write it. The vibrations moves along the earth surface, moves along the earth surface in the form of waves. Okay, so it used to move along the earth surface, vibration moves along this earth surface in the form of a waves, and these waves is called as, is known as seismic waves. Okay, so we can say that these waves are seismic waves. Okay, so the waves which is produced due to the vibration used to move along the vibration in the along that of the earth surface. So that waves is known as a seismic waves. Now, the study of that of the seismic waves is known as a seismology. Okay, so we'll discuss about the seismology. So, study of the study of the earthquake as well as seismic waves is called as, so you see here student, the study of the earthquake and that of the seismic wave is called as seismology. So what is seismology? It is a branch of science in which we study about that of the earthquake and that of the seismic waves. Then the second one is the seismologist. So who are the seismologists? Students, the scientists who study about that of the earthquake and about that of the seismic waves. They are known as seismologists. So we can write it. Scientist who studies about the earthquake and seismic waves is known as a seismologist. Okay, so he is known as a seismologist. Okay, so by this student we get three terms. The first is the seismic waves. What are seismic waves? These are the waves which is produced due to vibration. When this vibration it moves along the earth's surface, they always move in the form of a waves, and that waves we call it as seismic waves. Now, the study of that of the earthquake and about that of the seismic waves is known as seismology. Okay, and the scientists who study about that of the earthquake and that about that of the seismic waves is known as seismologists. So till now we have studied that what is earthquake, what is seismic waves, and how the vibration it causes the shape to that of the earth. Now when we talk about the earthquake students, so it occurs inside the earth. Okay, so how does it occur inside the earth? Although we will discuss later on about the causes of the earthquake also, but before that we should understand one thing student, and that is the structure of the earth. Okay. Structure of earth. So if we talk about the structure of the earth students, so you see, in a very simple term you can understand it that earth is divided into 4 layers. Okay, so the first one is known as crust. Okay, so this is the crust students. Wait a second, let me remove one of the layer. Okay, now we will understand in a better way. Okay, so this is the first layer, outer layer, which is known as a crust. Okay, then it will be the next layer, and that is known as mantle. Okay, then here these two portions, this is the portion of the core. Okay, and core is again divided into 2, that is the outer core and inner core. So since this is the outer portion of that of the core students, so we can say this is the outer core, and here it is the inner core. Okay, so first one is the crust, then mantle, then inner core, and then outer core, and then that of the inner core. So now we will discuss and see the structure. We will discuss that what is a crust, what are the composition, what are the things which is present in the crust. Then we will discuss about that of the mantle, what is the composition of the mantle. Then we will discuss about the core, which is further divided into the inner and outer. So basically on that basis we can say that the earth, structure of the earth, is consisting of a crust, then it consisting of a mantle, then it consisting of a core, which is further divided into inner core and outer core. Okay, so this is the structure of the earth, or we can say the layers of the earth students. Now if we talk about the crust, so if you talk about the crust students, so you can see where is the crust. So here in the structure you will see that crust is the outermost part of the earth. So the first point that we get in that of the crust student, that it is the outermost part. Okay, so it is the outermost part of the earth. And if we talk about the thickness of the crust, so the thickness of the crust is non-uniform. So throughout the earth student, if you see the crust thickness, that is a non-uniform. So this is the second point, that the crust is having a non-uniform thickness. Okay, so the outermost part, it is the outermost part with a non-uniform thickness. Then, if we talk about the crust student, what are the things it is mainly composed of? So basically, it is mainly composed of rocks with the lighter particles. Okay, so we can say that it is composed of rocks of lighter substance. Okay, so these are the things of that of the crust student. Outermost portion, the thickness is non-uniform, and basically it is composed of the rocks of the lighter substance. Okay, so this is about that of the crust. Now if we talk So mantle is what? It is the second portion of that of the earth. Now you see here student, mantle is basically extend between the crust and that of the core. So you can see here, this is the portion of the core. This is the portion of the core students, and this is the crust. In between them is the mantle. Okay, so we can say that mantle is the portion of the earth which basically present in between that of the crust and the core. So we can write it, that is about mantle. So it is present between the crust and core layer of earth. So basically it extends between the crust and the core. Now if we talk about the thickness of the mantle student, so it extends about 2900 km below the crust. Okay, so this is the thickness of the mantle, and what is the thickness? So we can write it that it extends up to 2900 kilometer. 2900 kilometers students below the earth crust. So you can see here, after crust only mantle, layer of mantle is there student, which is the second layer, and what is the depth, what is the thickness? That is 2900 kilometer below that of the crust. Now what are the things which is present in that of the mantle student? So basically it consisting of a semi-solid rock particles of calcium, magnesium and iron. Not only this, some molten substances are also present where the small solid rock particles used to float on the upper layer. So we can say that what are the composition of that of the mantle students? So we can write it, that is the mantle, it is mainly consisting of semi-solid rock particles of iron, magnesium and calcium. Okay, so it consisting of a semi-solid rock particles of iron, of magnesium and calcium, as well as it consisting of molten matter on which rock particles float on its upper layer. So you see here student, this is the composition of that of the mantle. So basically mantle is consisting of a semi-solid rock particle. This semi-solid rock particles, it is mainly of that of the iron, of that of the magnesium, as well as that of the calcium, and as well as it also consisting of a molten matter where the small rock particles it used to float over its surface. Okay, so this is what? This is about that of the mantle. Now if we talk about the core of the earth student, core, it is the central-most part of that of the earth. Okay, so core of the earth is again divided into two, and that is the inner core and that of the outer core. So we will discuss one by one. First of all, we will discuss about that of the outer core, and then we will talk about the inner core. So outer core is basically the layer which is just after to that of the mantle. Okay, and if we talk about the composition or the things which is present in that of the outer core. So you see the molten iron as well as molten form of a nickel is present in the outer core of that of the earth. Okay, so we can write it. If we talk about that of the outer core, students, so this outer core, it is consisting of molten form of iron and nickel. Okay, so molten form of iron and nickel is there. Why is it so? Because the temperature is very high. Not only this, student, the pressure is also very high when we go deep inside to that of the earth, and due to this molten form of iron and nickel get compressed in the solid form as we move from the outer core to that of the inner core. Okay, so what happened here in that of the inner core, students? So in case of an inner core, it consists of compressed form of iron and nickel. Okay, so it is a compressed form of, or we can say it get compressed in the solid form of the iron and nickel. So it get compressed where? In the inner core. Where in the outer core it is present in the form, in molten form. So we can say that it is get compressed, consisting of a compressed iron and nickel. Compressed iron and nickel into solid form. Okay, so we can write it here in the inner core. Due to very high pressure, this molten form, this liquid form of iron and nickel get compressed into the solid form. So this is what, this is the structure of the earth. Let me remind you again what are the different structures, students. The first is that of the crust. So the outermost part, the outer part of the earth is the crust, and the thickness of that of the crust is non-uniform. So we can say that the outermost part of the earth is crusted with a non-uniform thickness. If we talk about the composition, so basically it consisting or it is composed of the rocks with the next layer is of mantle, and it extends between the crust and the core of the earth. Okay, and if we talk about the thickness, students, so it extends about it extends up to 2900 km below the earth crust. Now, what are the composition? What are the things by which the metal is composed of? So basically, it consisting of a semi-solid semi-solid rock particles of iron, calcium, and magnesium. Not only this, the molten matter is also present in that of the mantle, in which the rock particles used to float over its surface. Now then we came to that of the core of the earth, which is the centermost part of the earth, students. Okay. Now core is also divided into two, that is the outer core and that of the inner core. If we talk about the outer core, so outer core basically consisting of a molten form of a iron and a nickel. While that of the inner core is consisting of a compressed. Okay, so there the nickel and the iron, it get compressed into that of the solid form. Okay, so this is the structure of the earth. Now we were talking about the earthquake, and there we had discussed about the earthquakes, the seismic waves. Finally, we study about that of the earth, that what happened in the earth, what is the structure of the earth. Now again we will go back to the earthquake and try to understand that what are the different causes, how does the earthquake occur. Okay, discuss that how does the earthquake occur. can say that what are the different causes of the earthquake. Okay, so we will write here causes, or how does earthquake occurs. How does the earthquake occur, students, or what are the causes? So you know that why there is an earthquake occur, students. So we discussed right now that the cause of the earthquake is the vibration. So vibration is produced inside that of the earth, and due to which it causes the shaking of the earth, and finally what will happen? It will cause the earthquake. Okay, strong earthquake, it will be very destructive. Okay, so what are the different causes by which we can say that earthquake occur? It means what are the different causes by which the vibration is produced inside the earth. Okay, so see here, students, when we were discussing about the earthquake, we said that earthquake occur due to vibration. Okay, so vibration occur inside the earth. Now what we have to search, what we have to find, that what is the reason of this vibration to occur inside the earth. Because if there will be no vibration, then there will be no earthquake occur. It is because of the vibration produced, it causes the earthquake. So we have to find that what is the cause of the vibration produced inside the earth makes the earthquake to happen. So what are the different causes, students? So the first cause is the nuclear explosion. Okay, so nuclear explosion. Then volcanic eruption. Okay, volcanic eruption. Then tectonic plates, movement of the tectonic plates inside to that of the earth. So tectonic plates. And finally seismic zones. Okay, so we can write it seismic or fault zones. So these are the different causes of the earthquake, or these are the different causes to produce the vibration. Now if we talk about that of the nuclear explosion, students, so in nuclear explosion what happened? As in the nuclear power plant, you have seen that if nuclear explosion occur, the explosion will cause it produces a lot of energy, we can say. Okay, so when the explosion occurs, it produces a lot of energy, and at the site of the explosion, and due to the enormous amount of energy is produced at the site of the explosion, during the nuclear explosion, it produces the vibration inside the earth, and due to which the earth vibrates. Okay, so the first one is the nuclear explosion. So we can say that during nuclear explosion, it produces a strong vibration due to explosion, and thus causes the earthquake. So it occurs due to that of the nuclear explosion, student. So in nuclear explosion, students, there is a strong vibration is produced due to the explosion at the site of the explosion, and thus it causes the shaking of the earth and result in the earthquake. Next one is that of the volcanic eruption, students. So in case of a volcanic eruption, so the volcano used to burst and the lava it used to comes out from it. So during volcanic eruption, it produces a large amount of energy, and this energy causes the vibration inside the earth. Okay, so we can say that this eruption causes it produces a lot of energy which causes vibration inside the earth. Okay students, so you can see here that the eruption which is produced, it produces a lot of energy, and finally what will happen? Due to the enormous amount of energy is produced during the volcanic eruption, it makes the earth to vibrate, and finally it will cause the earthquake. So you see here the two causes, the two reasons why the earthquake occurs, students. The first one is the nuclear explosion, and the second one is the volcanic eruption. And in both of them, one thing is common, that it produces a lot of energy, and due to the production of the energy, students, at the site of the explosion, this energy makes vibration inside the earth, and hence it causes the earthquake.